Hello CFAR members, this is Richard Gibbons, MLS Director. I wanted to make a video today to talk a little bit about listings on social media. One thing we see quite often is that listings are being shared to social media without any mention of the brokerage the listing is with. This is a violation of DVPR advertising law. Here's actually the law on advertising. In Part 1, it mentions that all real estate advertisements must include the license name of the brokerage firm. And it's further clarified in Part 3, where it says, when advertising on a site on the internet, the brokerage firm name as required in subsection 1 shall be placed adjacent to or immediately above or below the point of contact information. Then it goes on to say that point of contact information essentially has to be a mailing address, physical street address, email address, telephone number, or a fax number. So I called the legal hotline for some clarification on this, and they stated that at minimum, any post on social media must include the brokerage name and some form of contact information for the person posting the property. That contact information must be one of the types of contact locate that's listed here in 3A, and it must be visible on the post itself. So if a consumer has to click on your name or click on the link to get any of this information, it does not qualify. So it has to actually be on the post itself. Now, please keep in mind this is not something that is enforced by the association. This is actually a state law, and any reporting of violations of this should be done through DVPR. But of course, the next question is how do you make sure you're in compliance when using Flex MLS? So in Flex MLS, when you have a property and you want to share it, you can click this share button right here in the top right. It has the green button with the little share symbol in it. So you click on that, and then you click on Facebook, and it'll load up the page for you as if you're signed into Facebook already, and it says say something about this. So this is where you can go in, you can put in your brokerage name, and you can enter your phone number on there, or email address, or any other things outlined in that in Part 3 there. And then when you're done, you just click on post to Facebook down to the bottom right. So whenever you click that Facebook under the share and Flex, it's always going to stop on this page and ask you, give you the opportunity to add something to the post. So, it's still a good time to talk about the property or anything like that, of course, but always make sure you're including that contact information and brokerage name here at minimum. Of course, for any questions regarding the law on this, you can contact Florida Realtors Legal Hotline at 407-438-1409. Or, of course, if you have any questions regarding Flex, you can contact us here at CPAR 850-763-8078. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.